the UK's biggest tech company, and its future in AI. When people think about global tech leaders, they usually think of the US or China. But what about the UK? Does it have a tech giant competing on the world stage? The answer is yes. The UK's most valuable tech company isn't a social media platform, ARM Holdings. So in this video, we'll break down what ARM actually does, why it's so important globally, and how it's positioning itself in the future of AI. What ARM actually does. Unlike companies like Apple or Samsung, ARM doesn't manufacture products. It designs the blueprints for computer chips. The invisible giant. ARM's technology is used in smartphones, tablets, laptops, servers, even cars. In fact, over 99% of smartphones use ARM-based chips. That includes devices from Apple, Samsung. The business model. ARM doesn't build chips itself. Instead, it licenses designs to companies, earns royalties on every chip sold. That means, the more devices in the world, the more money ARM makes. Global reach. Even though it's based in the UK, ARM is at the center of the global tech ecosystem. Its designs power billions of devices worldwide. The key idea. ARM doesn't sell products. It powers the entire industry behind the scenes. Ownership and value. ARM has had a fascinating ownership story. SoftBank ownership. For several years, ARM was owned by SoftBank Group. SoftBank bought ARM in 2016 for around $32 billion. Public comeback. More recently, ARM returned to the stock market in one of the biggest tech IPOs in years. Its valuation has surged as demand for AI chips has exploded. Why? Because investors realized something huge. If AI needs chips, and chips need ARM, then ARM is at the center of the AI revolution. ARM and the AI boom. Now let's talk about the future, because this is where things get really interesting. AI runs on chips. Artificial intelligence isn't just software. It needs massive computing power. That means CPUs, GPUs, AI accelerators. And many of these are built using ARM designs. Moving beyond smartphones, ARM is expanding into data centers, cloud computing, AI infrastructure. This is a big shift. Traditionally, data centers were dominated by companies like Intel. But now, ARM-based chips are becoming more efficient and competitive. Cloud giants are adopting ARM. Major companies like Amazon, Microsoft, are designing their own ARM-based processors. Why? Because they are more energy efficient, cost-effective, ideal for AI workloads. AI plus energy efficiency. Here's the key advantage. AI uses huge amounts of power. ARM's designs focus on energy efficiency. This makes them perfect for data centers, mobile AI, edge computing. The result? ARM is becoming a core building block of AI infrastructure. Strategy for the future. So what's ARM's strategy? Be everywhere. Instead of competing directly, ARM wants its technology inside every device. Focus on AI infrastructure. Is shifting toward data centers, AI chips, high-performance computing. Partners don't compete. ARM works with Apple, Amazon, NVIDIA, instead of competing against them. This makes it a neutral platform powering the entire ecosystem. Risks and challenges. But there are challenges. Competition from companies like Intel, NVIDIA, global politics. Chip technology is now a geopolitical issue. ARM sits right in the middle of US, China, global supply chains, AI arms race. As demand for AI chips explodes, competition is getting intense. So what's the big picture? ARM Holdings may not be a household name, but it is one of the most important companies in the world. This power comes from designing the chips behind everything, licensing technology globally, positioning itself at the heart of AI. And as artificial intelligence continues to grow, ARM won't just be part of the future. It will be one of the companies powering it from the inside. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into the companies shaping the future of AI, stay tuned.